Hi, Malay here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the pagination and offline certificates in your courses. First of all, you have to go to your sub account. Under sub account, you have to go to membership tab. When you go to your membership tab, then you will get the options, the certificates. You can create your new certificates or existing certificates, whatever you record. When you got your new certificates from the certificate templates, then you can choose anyone from the certificates. Then after you can edit as per your requirements. Suppose you change your the name. After changing your name or after changing your details what you want to change in the certificate format, then you save it and send to your students. Or you can send. Suppose the recipient is your students and you choose it and send it and then send it through mail. Then here's mail. Then after you have awarded a new certificates and you can go to view certificates and take a look up. If you want to attach your certificate to your courses, then you go to the course. If there has no courses, then you have to create your course first. You have to go to your product sections and create your new course. I have a demo courses. Suppose this is my course and I want to attach my certificates in this course. After completion this course, the students can get their certificates. Then we have to attach certificates and certificates. We can choose any certificates from here and save it. When they completed their course, they can automatically download my certificates from these sections. Thank you.